An equation is a statement that two algebraic expressions are equal. It is important that an equation contains equality symbol. We have already learned algebraic expression, and the algebraic expression were not contain any equal symbol. Like 2x plus 7 is an algebraic expression. It does not have any equal symbol. We cannot do anything with algebraic expression. We only can simplify an algebraic expression by adding or subtracting like terms. Another example of expression is 2x minus 1 or x plus y plus z. We only can simplify an expression or a equal sign appears if we are given with the value of x. Let us suppose if we are given the value of x as 3, then we put 3 in place of x. Then we use an equal symbol to find its value. But in an equation, we are already given an equality symbol. For example, 2x is equal to 10. It is an equation because it contains an equality symbol. Similarly, x plus 5 is equal to 10 is an other equation because it contains equality symbol. Sometimes in the exam we are asked to separate expressions and equations. So if a statement does not contain an equality symbol, then the statement would be an expression otherwise, and if it contains an equality symbol, then the statement would be an equation. For example, first statement is an expression since it does not contain an equality symbol. Second statement is an equation because it have an equality symbol. Third again is an expression. Third again is an algebraic expression, while the fourth is equation since it contains equality symbol. So this is how we can differentiate between an algebraic expression and an equation. So we learn more about equations now. It is not so that we are going to learn how to solve the equation, but we are going to get the idea what does this equality of two expressions means. This equal means the two expressions must be equals. That is, if the right hand side is 10, then the left hand side must also be 10. So since left hand side is 10, so what should we replace x by to get the 10? It is clear that if we multiply 2 by 5, then we'll get the 10. So x is 5 in this case. So now the two sides are equal. So this equation is only true if x is equal to 5. If we replace x by any other value, then this equation will not be true. Let us suppose if I put x is equal to 1, then 2 cross 1 will be equal to 10. 2 ones are 2 equal 10. This statement is not true. So this equation is only true for x is equal to 5. Now we have another example. Now, now the equation y plus 3 is equal to 8 will be only true if the left hand side is also 8. So to make the left hand side 8, what should be the value of y? We know that if we add 5 to the 3, we will get 8. So y must be 5. Since 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, so 8 is equal to, say, it is true. If I replace y by any other number, then I would not get left and right side as equal. Let us suppose we replace y by 4. So 4 plus 3, 7 is equal to 8, which is not true. So this equation is only true for y is equal to 5. So now someone can give different values and ask us to determine whether these values are the solution of the given equation or not, or can ask the equation is true for the given values or not. So we try both the values one by one. If we replace x by 2 in the equation, so we get 2 square is equal to 2 into 2. So 2 square is 4, 2 twos are 4. So 2 is a solution of the given equation, or we say that the given equation is true for the value x is equal to 2. Now we try x is equal to 5. If we replace x with 5, we'll get 5 square is equal to 2 into 5. So 5 square is 5 times 5 25, and 2 5s are 10, which is not true. So 5 is not a solution of the given equation, or the given equation is not true for x is equal to 5. Now we will try another one. If we replace 1 in the given equation and check if this equation is true for 1 or not, we will replace x with 1. 3 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 plus 1, 4 is equal to 2. So the given equation is not true for x is equal to 1. So now we try minus 1. Now we check whether the given equation is true for minus 1 or not. We will replace x by minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1. So 3 ones are 3, and this, and since the symbol of 3 is plus, so plus multiply by minus, minus plus 1. 2 ones are 2, and plus minus again minus. Now our right hand side is minus 2. And what about minus 3 plus 1? Since the symbols are opposite, so we will subtract 3 minus 1 is 2. Since the greater value of symbol minus, so we will use the symbol minus. Now these two sides are equal, so given equation is true for x is equal to minus 1. Now in our next video we will learn how to find the value of x from complicated equations.